Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lucy. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick purple look that I have been loving so far. Now I'm going in with the new Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser from Maybelline. This product is very lightweight, it's smooth, and you can apply it alone or under makeup. And I really love this primer so much. It's one of the best primers I've ever actually used. Next in, I'm just going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match foundation in Acajou Mahogany shade. Now this it actually fell down. I can't even believe this, and it broke, but thank God the pump is still there. So I'm just gonna put this on my sponge. One pump is enough, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face, and then we're just gonna blend it out. This product is very hydrating. It's super blendable. I can't tell you how much I love this foundation so much. Basically, when it's too hot, I just apply one pump, and my skin stays hydrated the whole day. And yeah, during hot days I don't really go for matte finishes. I tend to feel like they actually dry out my skin more than it's supposed to be. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me Maybelline concealer. Now this one is in the shade 50, and I'm just gonna go in with this under my eyes, and I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes, on my cheek, not on my cheek, sorry, on my chin, English, and on my forehead. So sorry guys, but not sorry, not sorry. Then we're just gonna blend this in, and yeah. Now I have used a couple of concealers, and this one is very lightweight, I can tell you that. The coverage is amazing, because if you saw, I had actually two marks, like scars marks on my nose, on both sides of my nose, and I can't see them right now. So this concealer is actually a really good concealer. Anything I think from Maybelline is amazing. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty blur powder, instant blur powder. Now I'm just gonna use the little brush. Ew, this brush is ugh. But anyway, can't mind that. And I'm just gonna go in with the powder and just gonna buff it in on under my eyes, and we're gonna set in the concealer as well. Now, I learned this technique from Nima Tang. If you don't know who Nima Tang is, girl, please don't talk to me, but she's an amazing girl. Next in, we're just gonna go in with my Face Studio powder, setting powder from Maybelline. And if you've seen, like, I like a little bit of my Maybelline, so we're gonna bake, and we're gonna put this whole powder under my eyes just to bake, and also to catch the fallout from the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using today, guys. And yeah, I can tell you that much, that it's gonna be a fallout, but we don't mind a fallout, do we? Next in, I'm gonna go with the Fenty Matchstick Express, and I'm just gonna warm it up on my hand. I find this technique really easy, so that the matchstick can be creamy. And then we're just gonna apply this on my cheekbones, and we're gonna contour today. And also we're gonna go in and we're gonna get a snatch nose and contour that nose and get that nose to be thinner. Anyway, just did a look on the eye, as you can see, and we're just gonna recreate this look. And I'm just gonna go in with the Fenty matchstick, and I'm just gonna go in on the corners of my eyes and also my crease, and I'm just still gonna use the same contour matchstick on the eyes. It's creamy, it's blendable, it's It's just amazing. So I'm just gonna use that as a transition shade, and I'm just gonna buff it in on my eyes, on the crease, and also on the outer corners of my eye. And I'm just gonna give it a wing, that line, that beautiful wing. Next thing, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Lemonade Craze, the shade Coral Punch, and I'm just also going to blend that in on the crease. Next thing, we're gonna go into the BH Cosmetics palette, the Smoky palette, and we're gonna use the purple shade. And you're gonna use the finger on this one, and you're just gonna dab in the product to give it that intensity. Next thing, we're gonna go in with the flat brush, and you're gonna apply more product of the purple shade from the palette until you get the intensity that you actually really want. Now for me, I want a bright purple. As you can see, the purple has like a silver undertone to it. And next, we're gonna go in with the green shade. Now for this green shade, it's very light. It's not as intense as you would think once you swatch it. It's actually really light. And yeah, so I use the brush on this because I know it's really light, and I'm just going on the corners of my eye to give it that green effect, that green ombre. Next, I'm gonna go in my Fix Plus, and I'm just gonna spray that on my brush, and I'm gonna use the shade Sugar Coated, and I'm just going to apply this on the inner corners of my eyes to give it that shimmery effect, the shimmer look. This is like a brownish kind of shimmery shade, so I really wanted to do this because it goes in well with the whole outer look transition shade. And yeah, and then I'm gonna go in back with the purple shade, and I'm just gonna go under my eyes, and I'm just gonna put that shade under my eyes. Next, in lashes, and I use the Duo Lash Glue, and I'm just gonna apply some lashes, darling. Before the lashes actually dry, I just wanted to talk to you guys about Supergreat. Supergreat is an app where beauty gurus or just anyone can actually, do reviews and get points, and definitely redeem those points for products. So yeah, there's something that's really the worst is applying lashes. If you know the struggle, hit the comments. So we're just gonna go wrap those under eyes. We're just gonna buff that out, the powder out. We've been baking for hours now. Ugh, almost actually did a mess. So next thing, I'm gonna go with my e.l.f. Cosmetics. Now this is the best blush palette ever, guys. Oh my god, I love this palette to death. As you can see, basically, Next, I'm gonna highlight with the Maybelline Lemonade Craze, and I'm gonna go in with Strawberry Lemonade. Yes. Oh, don't you love that shade? Oh my god, I'm glowing, darlings. I'm glowing. Oh, I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I know, I'm weird. Are you still here? I don't know why you're still here, but yeah. Wow. Next thing, we're also gonna use the same shade, and we're just gonna highlight on my eyebrow bone. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Fix Plus Pinklet, and we're just gonna shake this thing. Mustang, Ace, hydrate, girl, hydrate. Oh my god. Then we're gonna use the Matchstick in Espresso from Fenty as a lip liner because I don't have any lip liners at all. I don't know where they've gone. And I'm just gonna go in with the nude lipstick from Miniso. Now, Miniso Japan is amazing. These glossy lipsticks are the bomb. Check out my Instagram for the 3 shades I actually bought. I love you guys.